See, that's what's weird because
where is it?
The Palace Grounds is right next to us.
He's recording it now.
Yeah, keep talking. It's going on YouTube tomorrow.
Don't ever do that again.
You told me to film it. The baby's not yours. The baby's not yours.
Hutchie, I would have sent it down. He should donate to the London Sperm Bank. That looks like Dan.
It's nothing like me.
This is the best 30th birthday I've ever been on.
Actually, it's
I want to stay.
It's probably better than mine were rubbish.
no, yours were red.
Yeah, yours were good. But it hasn't over yet. We've got like 2 hours yet. We could get at least 2.
Best thing about mine.
And Bohemian Rhapsody later on as well.
I want the big ice one.
You realise we've got 2 stations plus 1 in your weird count. Why are you trying to stop it? Why?
It's just me.
Yeah, you told me to film you.
No, I meant film everybody.
But you really meant you.
No, I really didn't. I meant I want to document this.
So you meant you. You.
Can't watch that. These guys are good.
Why are you trying to stop it?
Oh,
Is that you?
Is that it? Good.
Fernando, Torres, Kelly, there's a science.
What is it? You look like this.
The next station is Glutton.
What are you on about, aren't you?
What are you on
Seriously.
I'm for a Guinness then. Oh, is it half a Guinness?
Get fucking Barry Budweiser over there. Fucking Benjamin Budweiser.
Benjamin Glutton.
That made me laugh. That 10 minutes ago. I like they're eating Chinese takeaway and like,
Benjamin Glutton.
What's it about Benjamin Glutton? I don't know.
Curious kids.
The curious case of Benjamin Glutton.
How are we getting up there?
Getting up at King's Cross. Didn't really work when you tried to like a camera out there. Look at that.
You go, look.
I reckon your E-type gloves are hard to type with, really hard, honestly.
How good do you reckon they are for fisting? How good do you reckon they are for fisting?
I like tagging Jamie Mullins in bloody Cardiff and stuff. I don't know what we're going on. I didn't know what we were going on.
The next station is closed.
When push comes to shove, if you're in a situation where you need to fist somebody, put your arm, go to yeah. And you're not going to get allergic. You're not going to get allergic. You're like special. To be honest, I'll probably go like this.
That's a weak punch.
No, if I'm going to fist somebody.
Alright.
Not like that, because
So glad I got that on camera.
no.